What is going on, guys? This is Ravage of Black Cloud Battalion. Today what I am working on is my wagon, and the thing about it is it died on me maybe like a couple of months ago while I was driving late at night. I was pushing it a little bit, but I didn't think it was that hard, you know, for how I normally push this car. If y'all don't know about it, it's got the 4AG motor, and it's a TE72, AE71, KE70 Corolla wagon. It's right here behind me. Yeah, so with the 4AG swap, so we're about to do the timing belt on that because that's what happened. It snapped on me, car turned off, and now we have the dilemma. We can't drive without this thing. I already pulled it off, so we're gonna be seeing a little bit of that. First thing I did actually was drain the coolant because I'm gonna have to take the radiator out of the way. And the timing belt I got is not in here. Actually, it was on top of the wagon or the engine. Is the performance timing belt, and this is supposed to be a whole lot stronger. We'll see how it holds up. Take this off, throw the timing belt on there, tension it just right where I can kind of bend it around a little bit, but you don't want it to be slackish, but not too tight. Yeah, we're gonna check these dots. This one's all the way down here somewhere right there, and that one right there, because that's what's gonna help dictate if the timing belt is on correctly. All right, so I took the #1 spark plug out, which is the frontmost cylinder, and what that was for was so that I could confirm that it was at top dead center. When it's top dead center, cylinder 1 is all the way at the top. I'm trying to make sure that my cam rails after that are also at top dead center. So once those three things are top dead center, in theory we should be ready to put the belt on. I just gotta get the crank pulley off now so I can slide the belt in. So that's what I'm gonna do next. All right, guys, so we got the crank pulley off. We're gonna slide this off, and then we'll be putting the timing belt in here. This is the tensioner, so it's gonna route around here, on these, and back to here. So we are going to clean it off a little bit, but there it is. And we are back. Last night the GoPro's battery ran out, so I'm gonna give y'all an update on where we're at. And as y'all can see, we actually have the burping tool installed. So we're gonna be burping the system. Everything's already placed in, battery's hooked up. Well guys, it looks like we're good. I didn't have to mess with the timing since I didn't mess with the distributor. The cam gears, which are under here, were all set to the right timing. Had the crank pulley set to the right timing as well. Had to resplice the fan. Hooked everything back up for the coolant. Burnt the system. Battery's charged. It actually has a new ignition coil as well. I think the wagon is ready. I'm so glad that we found the problem. I tried a whole bunch of other different things, but now we're ready to ride. All right, so now that that's done, let's go check out what's going on the other side. Looks like the door is closed, so we'll have to go through the inside.
So after all the suspension work on the Mustang, it's time to get the alignment done so we can get her driving down the road nice and straight. At this point, we're just gonna do a quick in-house string alignment, just enough to give her a test drive, make sure she can make it to the alignment shop without having to tow her there. So that's the goal. Let's give it a shot, see what happens. We finished the string alignment. Everything's looking pretty good on the ground. Now it's time to give her a test drive and see how she performs on the street.
Probably my favorite Mustang right now, and he's not even done. Back from the test drive and very happy with how she performed. Everything kept straight, no issues, didn't fight me at all, so I think we're in good shape to take her to the alignment shop now. we're back in action. Wagon did great. Gonna be focusing back on this guy. And I think that's it for now. About to call it a day. Be sure to check us out on blackcloudbattalion.com. If you want to check out our merch, it is theblkcld.com, and you'll find a bunch of cool stuff like hats. I'm not wearing mine right now. Shirts, stickers, all the cool stuff. Our designs are made in-house, so be sure to check it out and support if you'd like. All right, guys, thanks for joining us. Next time.